Hello my friends, Runar again from Oslo, Norway. A little unboxing video from my friend Sean, that is Less Little for Dummies YouTube channel. He has sent me another gift pack. I actually filmed this yesterday, but the camera wouldn't focus, so I redo it today. They just put everything back in the box. So let's see. A t-shirt, extra large, very nice. Let's see if I can rip it open. Vancouver, Canada. Nej, Chinooks. Great. I always need another t-shirt. Excellent. And red dot sight. Excellent, excellent. User user manual. Wow, super nice gifts, Sean. Not sure what I will put it on. Maybe one of my HDR 68. We will see. So stay tuned. And Stormer valve spring, and some springs that might work as bolt spring or hammer springs. Very, very nice. And MCS ceramic balls, 0.679 bore, so small balls, 3 gram each. This will be interesting to try out. And Greenberg Dual V3, 7.4 gram. Yes. Excellent stuff. Thank you very much, Sean. So for the rest of you guys, stay tuned for making videos where I try these out. So big thanks to Sean. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.